Sir, what do you believe to be the main attribute as to why your CRM program was so successful?
Right from inception in 1994, HDFC Bank has been a very successful company and a front runner in the Indian banking industry. Over the years, we have built a large number of best practices. We felt there is need for a CRM to integrate these best practices and convert those into company-wide processes. So, right from the beginning, our bank management was very clear in laying down the right vision, the strategy, and provided commitment to provide resource for making the CRM initiative successful. We always knew what we want in a CRM and more importantly, what we don't want in a CRM. That's why it allowed us to choose the right technology partner who had the capability to match our scale and the agility at one end, and also the flexibility and capable to counter the challenges of technology integration with the old system that we had. The other thing that worked well for us has been the, the buy-in of all the stakeholders, business stakeholder, the technology partner, and the CRM partner, and with a clear vision of what is in it for me for each of these partners in the chain.
Sure, sir. Thank you. So, what do you believe your bank to have the most important success factor to any of your customer strategy or the program you have run?
We strongly believe that keeping the customer at the center of any customer-led initiative is very important and key to success. If we are driving CRM initiative for building customer relationship, improving customer loyalty, and thereby improving profitability, it makes the job fairly easy. It not only helps in identifying the good practices and adopting the best practices across the entire supply chain, but it also helps in resolving the stakeholder conflict while choosing technology and choosing the right process and the right set of people who are going to run the CRM initiative. And to me, that has been a very, very clear success factor for us.
Thank you, sir. And the last question, sir. How does your bank plan to evolve this strategy over the next year and beyond that?
At HDFC Bank, we have a very clear, well-established process for reviewing strategies and redefining strategies, keeping in mind the changing customer needs and the changing technology landscape in mind. Over the years, we keep reviewing the practices that we have and then set clear time frame to build newer ones and implement those across our key processes. Keeping that in mind, we are right now working with our CRM partner to build some of the very smart processes for a mobile platform, which will help us in giving anytime, anywhere access to the customer and also to our frontline sales executives. Moreover, we believe that it's very important for us to build some of the straight-through processes which we are currently working on, which will help on crashing turnaround time significantly, and it will eliminate rework with a view to reducing the cost of acquisition and cost of processing, and at the same time deliver superior customer experience. We also believe that social, mobile technology as well as big data are a big opportunity for delivering customer loyalty and customer-centric experiences, which exactly is that what we are working on at this point in time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.